I'm Miss Sarah from the Scott Township Public Library, and I'm going to demonstrate how to bend water with static electricity. All you need is a bag and your hair, but make sure you don't put any product like mousse or gel in your hair. And I'm going to demonstrate with my daughter because we're going to do it on her. Okay, thank you. Now my daughter will demonstrate by rubbing a plastic bag on her hair for 20 seconds. Okay, next we'll see what happens to the water. See how it bends? It bends towards the plastic bag. And that's how you bend water. Hi, if you liked the video today, please donate to the library. Thank you very much.